Good day, Baden here from ZA Trail Hunter, and today we are going to look at my tool roll. So here we are, it's the Desert Fox, the Overland Pro Touring Motorcycle Toolkit, and we're going to go through what it contains. So it comes in a tool roll, not the most durable tool roll if I am honest. As you can see, the spanners have already worn through, and it's just from off-road, the vibrations of the corrugation which causes that. But yeah, not the worst tool roll. Could be a little bit better. So let's just get everything like it should be. And there we are. So we're going to go through the tools which they provide you with. And in the description I'll have the link to where I purchased it from the store Flying Brick, local store in Cape Town that deals in adventure bike apparel and tools and crash bars, etc. So this is the Desert Fox tool roll. Let's start from the left. You've got some cable ties, some sockets, you've got the little extension, and it does have the swivel function, which makes it fairly easy to get into all the little spots. Then we've got the tire levers, and these are the non-pinch ones, which are quite handy if ever you need to change a tire. I haven't as yet needed to, so I'm quite lucky with that. We've got the ratchet. It's quite a well-made ratchet. It does have a extendable handle, so you can get down to torquing those tight bolts, which is quite cool. And then a little adjustable 1/4 inch little ratchet, makes getting into those small spaces really easy. And it does have the connector for the bits. Then a little extender for it, and it does have a magnetic tip, which always comes in handy. That should actually be in there. It's got its own little pocket. And then we've got a variety of combination spanners, ranging from 8 to 17. Also extremely handy. Let's just move this over. Sorry for the vibration. I am on a little bit of a shaky table. Then we've got the long nose vice grips, as well as a wire cutter. Always handy when in a spot to bother, that you are able to cut some wire and use the vice grips as such. On top we've got some small compartments. We've got a little spark plug socket. We've got these little bits, so from Flat Star, Torx bits, Allen key bits, which are quite useful. This kit is specifically for an air-cooled BMW 1200. It covers the adventure as well. So the standard and the adventure, but it is specifically for an air-cooled BMW. So this tool over here, it's actually two tools in one. It's the coil puller, which is that over there. So if you ever need to change your spark plug, that's what you'd use. And a wheel removal tool. So that's a little slots into the axle, and it then comes off that way. Additional to that, I'll just pop that in there. Additional to that, we've got the oil filler cap removal tool specific to the 1200 Adventure. I've included a little bit of duct tape, always good when in a spot of bother. And then you've got these heavy duty Torx bits and Allen keys, specifically for the BMW, air-cooled BMW. In this little zip, I've got a little torch, a valve puller for deflating tires, a variety of nuts and bolts, just in case one gets lost, some washers which should be in there, some insulation tape, some plumber's tape, and some Pratley steel quickset. It forms a little bit of a paste and you can mend a variety of things. So yeah, that is my tool set which I carry on the motorcycle at all times. It does come in handy when we run into issues. I've had to use it a couple of times, not for myself fortunately, but to help out fellow riders along the side of the road. So yeah, that's it. If you got any questions, any comments, drop them in the comment section. If you want to see more videos, just drop a subscribe and like the videos. Thanks. Till next time.